Hey guys, what's up? It's Ray from CMA, and guess what? I'm working still on the Porsche. Right, so here we are. What you saw was my face through the quarter panel. I know that's a nightmare in itself, but just wanted to give you an idea of where we're at and what isn't left on the quarter panel. So right now I'm in the process of repairing that. That was a big mess. Unexpected, as always. And I got some patches made for it. The patch for it is right here. Ta-da! Pretty crazy patch. If you notice there's a channel on it, it's hard to see. See a channel? I had to make a channel and it's rounded, and it's not another non-simple patch to make. It does fit in quite nicely. Right there. Yeah. Okay, so this one's going to be going in. I did have to put another small patch right here. This lip was rotted out, so I put that in also. It's just a big project. It's what I do, and I do love what I do. It makes people happy that they came to me because they know I'm doing it the right way and I'm not cutting corners and hacking stuff up. That's why the car is here in the beginning, because people did just that. It just wasn't done properly, and if you don't do things right the first time, you're going to do it again a second time, and it's usually more costly the second time because now you're going back and fixing what was done before and then correcting it and then going back and doing it again. So it's looking good. It doesn't look good, but it's looking good. I got this patch is made for here. This one slips in down inside here and it fits down. It'll be trimmed and fit later, but that's going in there. Nothing too exciting in this video, just a lot of nothing. I will say this though. So I realized that doing this patch, trying to fabricate it, would be too costly in labor. So I went online and I found one. I bought it. It's less than 2 hours time of fabrication to buy the patch and put the whole thing in. So like I said before, it's always in my best interest to do the most cost efficient means of repair. So in this case, it saved me many hours of fabrication because it's not a simple patch. It's a big stamp where the latch goes in. Let me show you this. Look at this fine piece of craftsmanship. It's wonderful. So it was just more cost efficient for me to buy the panel. So if they're available and it's cheaper to go, that's the way I'm going to go. So guys, until the next video, I hope to have this in, and I'll show you how it looks at that point. Not a very exciting video this time, but anyway, just a little informative. Guys, have a great night. Like and share my videos, please. Subscribe on YouTube, and we will talk to you in the next go round. Have a great night. Bye.